Today, this video is going to be about dogs. I want to tell you a little bit of something about my dogs. Okay, here, I'll show y'all. There's Emma. Say hi. Here, y'all just keep an eye on that dog over there, wherever it is. Keep an eye on him. Is he coming? Yep, he's coming. There, and there is Gus. Now run for your life! Up. How? We bought her before I was even alive. She is 9 years old like me. And that dog over there, he is 7 years old. That's Emma. That's Gus. Emma is a girl, and Gus is a boy. And here is my, I don't know, what's Gus? It moves! It's alive! Where'd it go? I thought it was dead. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not know I was gonna scream. It was a freaking alive. Oh, there's the boxer. Oh my God, that was scary. You see why I got so taller? Because of my ear vents. She's so close to the ground. What do you see? You see a worm? Shut up! I'm trying to make a video. What the? We can make this. 1, 2, 3. It didn't seem a big jump to y'all, but it's a big jump in real life. Get wrecked, ball. So that's my end of the video today. But hang on, I haven't told you about Gus yet. We adopted Gus. We adopted him. I don't know where we adopted him at, but I know we adopted him. As I say, he's only 7 years old when he's like 2 times taller than Emma over there. But subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below what's your favorite dog. And what I always say, adios, amigos.